Hi, good day, it's Francois Libber, the Game Changer Coach. Welcome to this episode of Bush Lessons for Business. Just the other day, one of my clients asked me, so Francois, what is one of the most amazing experiences that you've had through all the years driving in the Kruger Park? And it was quite a difficult one because, I mean, every one of those are very special. But there's one that really stand out because it was so different, and that was one morning we drove from Satara to the Orpen Gate. It was about 5 o'clock in the morning, and there were no other cars. And then suddenly we saw, southern ground hornbill, in a tree. It's like it is in a tree like you see here behind me. And so it was quiet in the morning, and then I'm just going to play to you that sound that we heard then. So like doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. But that was just the start. The next moment, actually about 8 other hornbills flew into that tree, and it was like as this one that was there first is this leader, and he was actually then doo-doo, doo-doo. And then the 8 others follow him. Their eyes locked into him. He was this leader. It's like this orchestra in this quiet bushveld, and this harmony behind this leader showing the direction. And it was incredible, and that made me think about business as well. That importance of having a common goal, just as the hornbills follow their leader in terms of his direction that he shows with his call, and in harmony going behind him. Teams can achieve incredible things, incredible goals when there's a common goal. Everyone actually behind that goal feels like you really belong there, and that is when making sure that your values are aligned towards that common goal. What are the skills and the diversity of a team? How do you embrace that? And feedback, and making sure that how do you adapt according to that goal that will be a remarkable achievement. And always also celebrate the ones along the way. So that's the importance of creating a common goal for remarkable achievement. That's Francois. Enjoy the application.